What's going on, guys? My name is Bill and this is Tool Tech Tuesdays. On Tuesday, I like to bring you guys a tool that I've been using in my videos or that I've been using on projects in and around the garage. Now, so today I thought I would take a quick break from what I'm working on to bring you this Tool Tech Tuesday. If you're doing any kind of welding, whether fabrication, any kind of metal work, and you're working with hot rolled steel, you need to get yourself some of these stripper discs or surface prep discs. This one happens to be from Benchmark Abrasives, and these things are great at removing, mill scale, paint, rust, anything on the surface of your metal that could contaminate your welds. Let me bring you a little bit closer and I'll show you just how well these things work. So what I've got here is a scrap piece. It's from a piece of 4x4 square tubing, and it's hot rolled steel, and you can see all the mill scale there on the surface. So I've got one of those Benchmark Abrasives stripper discs or surface prep discs in the grinder, and I'm gonna and you can see just how quick that takes off all that mill scale. And it does it without marring the surface. It doesn't take any metal off. It doesn't sand it down at all. It just takes off the mill scale. So there you go, guys. Surface prep discs. These things are essential when it comes to getting good, clean welds. Like I said, they take off mill scale, paint, rust, anything on the surface of your metal that you don't want to get into your welds. Appreciate you guys for watching. Hit that subscribe, hit the bell, and get back to work.